Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have a great announcement today. That's why you've obviously been all called. We are announcing the new CEO for Tourism Fiji, Mr. Mathew Stoeckel. He's welcome. Welcome, Mathew.
Thank you.
There's a couple other things that we have to say. He will be taking over the CEO post. As you all know, the acting CEO was Mr. Truman Bradley, executive chair, sorry. He will, and he's obviously also handed over the chairmanship of the board to Andre, as you all know very well. So really today is just a bit of a handover ceremony and a welcome to Mathew. Mathew brings a lot of experience with him, and he's also quite aware of Fiji and Fiji's plans in terms of Tourism Fiji's plans, etc. But welcome to Fiji.
Vinaka.
Thank you. Good time to say a big Vinaka Wagalevu and a thank you to Truman Bradley, who has done a fantastic job as executive chair and basically just steered Tourism Fiji in a wonderful direction. And Mathew's stepping into some big shoes, and good luck to him and good wishes to Truman. Also, he has Investment Fiji only to deal with now. So, but then again, also to Andre, big welcome and we wish you well, Andre. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We've done it in triplicate just so that you can take a copy away as well. So, and PS will be witnessing.
It's a really important and a really important time, and it's a real privilege to come and work for Tourism Fiji. Really look forward to putting in place the plans that Truman and Tourism Fiji have been working on, and in working with industry partners and other government agencies to really get some heads on beds in Fiji. Thank you.